But here's where it gets controversial. President Trump's plan to fire Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook, a key figure in the nation's monetary policy, hinges on a legal battle that could redefine the balance of power between the executive branch and the Federal Reserve Board. During a Senate Banking Committee hearing in Washington, D.C. on June 21, 2023, Cook, who serves as the U.S. Federal Reserve Governor and was Biden's nominee for president, faced a test of loyalty from the Supreme Court as she defended her role in shaping America's financial future. Her attorneys argued that Trump's request to remove her, pending a lawsuit challenging her removal, must be rejected, citing a legal framework that prioritizes accountability over unchecked presidential authority. Cook's legal team emphasized that Trump's claims of mortgage fraud, which allege she misrepresented two properties as her primary residence, are flimsy and unproven, particularly since she owns homes in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and Atlanta. The Supreme Court's decision will determine whether the president's actions align with the Federal Reserve Act's requirement for cause to remove officials. In their filing, Cook's lawyers warned that Trump's arguments, which cite pre-office wrongdoing as a pretext, risk undermining decades of precedent that protect the Fed's independence. The case has sparked fierce debate. Should the court intervene to safeguard the Federal Reserve's autonomy, even when the president's motives are unclear? Critics argue that the Fed's role in setting interest rates, a critical tool for economic stability, should not be dictated by political pressure. Meanwhile, proponents of Trump's stance claim that the Fed's recent rate cuts, which lowered the benchmark rate by a 0.25 percentage point, reflect a lack of responsiveness to his demands. If the Supreme Court upholds Trump's request, it would signal a troubling trend where presidents could potentially dismiss Fed governors based on vague allegations, eroding the institution's credibility. Conversely, a ruling in favor of Cook would reinforce the principle that the Fed's independence is a cornerstone of American economic governance. As the legal battle unfolds, the outcome could set a precedent for how the executive branch interacts with regulatory bodies, leaving the public to ponder whether the Fed's role in shaping the economy is truly insulated from political influence.